Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Vivian and I am back with another video. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to click that subscribe button. When you do, click the bell on the side. That'll keep you alerted anytime I upload a new video. So this is just going to be a video about my thoughts on the new iOS 14 update for Apple, and I'm just gonna point out two things. This is gonna be a quick short video that I'm gonna make about it. I'm just gonna point out two things that I like about the new update. One of them that Apple should have been having, but again, you know, it's here. So okay, so let's get into this video. The first feature is the one about watching videos and browsing the web, looking at Facebook, things like that at the same time. I only tried Netflix. I haven't tried like YouTube or Hulu or things like that. I only tested out Netflix. And what you can do is, that's my phone. Okay, you're watching Netflix, but at the same time you want to shop online, look at Facebook, things like that. So while you can do that, let me see if it'll let me. While you can do that, if you just press the home button, let's see, let me just press, I'm gonna do Cobra Kai. So you see, while you're doing that, if you just press the home button, let's do it like this. Okay, I'm watching Cobra Kai, just saying that like that. So while I'm watching it, if you just press the home, it'll put it right here. So while you watch it, you can watch your video still and browse the web at the same time. So, or if you don't want it at the top, you can drag it down at the bottom. So kudos to you, Apple. Kudos to y'all, because that's a feature y'all should have been having. I know Samsung has been having their feature for quite some time, where you can watch a video and browse and do other things at the same time. Kudos to y'all, Apple. Kudos to y'all for having that feature. Now I don't know, I tried it with Hulu. That feature doesn't work with Hulu for some reason, but I know like watching Netflix movies, it works with that. Another feature that I like is the text messaging feature. And with the text messages, we get text messages a lot throughout the day. Friends, family, text message alerts, packages on the way, 50% off discount. We get messages all day from everybody. So instead of searching all over, you can set everybody that you text on a regular basis, you can set them as a favorite. Again, you would just press and hold, and when you press and hold on, let's see, I'm gonna do my sister-in-law. So if I just press and hold on her name in the text message, if I hit pin, I can hit pin and it's gonna bring her all the way to the top. Cool feature. I really like it. I don't know, maybe this feature been out, I'm not sure, so correct me if I'm wrong, you guys, but I just noticed that feature. That is a cool feature. So everybody that you press and hold, that you text on a normal basis, in the message you can press and hold on them, on the messages from them, and you can press pin, and when you hit pin, it'll bring them all the way to the top, and these are all your favorites. Okay, and so instead of searching through them over and over, because again y'all, we get messages all through the day, every day, from everywhere. That's a cool feature to have. You can keep them up at the top as your favorites. Another feature I like with the messages, let's say I'm in a group chat, I'm just gonna give some names, with Tiffany and Tasha. Okay, Me, Tiffany, and Tasha, we're group chatting, talking about everything, just having a kiki moment. But I forgot to respond to, in the messages, I forgot to respond to what Tiffany said in the group chat. So what I can do is I can go back and press and hold on the message that, on the particular message that she sent that I forgot to respond to in the group chat, and I can reply back to that message. So if I do this, I'm just gonna use, let's see, because I put my mom, let's see, I'm trying to show y'all. Let's see. So I'm gonna use my sister-in-law again as an example. So if I forgot to respond to Tiffany on a particular message that she sent in the group chat, I can press and hold. See this message? I'm gonna do press and hold. Oh, she ain't got an iPhone. God dang it. Who has an iPhone? Okay. I'm gonna do my sister, my niece. Okay, so since she has an iPhone, and again, that's another one. That's another thing. It only works if that person has an iPhone as well. If they have any, like an Android or something, this feature is not gonna work. So me and my niece were talking about masks or whatever, because where she worked, you know, I was asking if they have some masks in stock. So I'm going to use one of the messages that I forgot to reply to in the message that we were talking about. Okay, so if I press and hold, and you see where it says, it's going to say, once you press and hold on the message, it's going to say reply. When you hit reply, it's going to allow you to reply to that message that was sent that you missed responding to. You can reply back to that particular message. So again, me, Tiffany, and Tasha were talking, we're group chatting or whatever. Tiffany said something in the group chat that I forgot to respond to. I can press and hold on that message that Tiffany sent and reply to that particular message that I forgot to reply to, and it'll allow me to do that, and it'll bring it all the way down at the end of the text message so she can see that I replied to what she said. If you get what I'm saying? So that's another cool feature. Again, in order for that to work, everybody would have to have like an iPhone for that particular feature to work. But that's another cool feature that I like with the new iOS update, iOS 14. So again, I just wanted to point out those two, well actually 3 features that I like with the new update. Keep in mind, I'm pretty sure there's other updates as well. Oh, another thing, when someone is calling you, see, my iPhone is like that. I'm at the home screen. If someone is calling you, the number, or you know, if it's one of your contacts, will show up at the top as an alert, showing you that there's an incoming call. That's another feature that I noticed that has been kind of changed, which is okay. I'm not big on that feature, but that's another one. I know they added widgets. I'm still trying to get around with the widgets features, so I'm gonna play around with that. But I just wanted to make this quick video just to give y'all my opinion on the new iOS 14 update. But kudos to Apple with minimizing watching your video and can do other things as far as browsing the web, playing on Facebook, Instagram, you know, just whatever. So kudos to y'all, Apple, for doing that. What y'all should have been having that. I mean, because you know, y'all in competition every day with other companies, and Samsung been having that feature. I know that because I used to have Samsung phones back in the day. So they've been having that feature. So kudos to y'all. If there's any other feature that's new that I missed, please leave it down below in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all have any suggestions, leave it down below. If it's something that I missed, leave it down below. But I just wanted to come do this quick video of my thoughts of the new iOS 14 update. There's talks about the new iPhone coming out. Will I be getting a new one? Most likely, because every time I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, I feel like every time Apple comes out with a new iPhone each year, it's like my old one doesn't want to work as well. It's like, I don't know, I started having nothing but issues to where I have to get a new iPhone. Maybe that's just me, I don't know. But that's all, you guys. That's all I have to say about the new iOS 14 update. Any comments or suggestions, leave it down below. If it's something I missed, leave it down below. Once again, I do thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos on all platforms. I will be back soon with another video. But I do thank you guys for watching. Have a great weekend. Be safe. And see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.